Hello everyone, welcome. The Pajero, this is 3.5, the full option car. So today I'm gonna show you the running board LED light installations. So it's easy, you can do it yourself, and this is the way how I install, because it's really worth who you love for camping and do desert at night, because it's really give the bright light for the at night, especially for the running board, the footboard. So no need to fix the much fog lights on the top. So this one I installed to the parking light. Whenever you can on the parking at night, it will be work, and it's very bright and it's very cool light. It's easy installation, you can do it yourself as well. It's the way I install, it's very easy. Let me show you how I done on that, and you can do it yourself. I hope this video will helpful who interesting to do these things. So sorry for that, I'm not into much vlogging and these things video. Anyway, you can learn something what I done. Okay, let's start. I bought it in Amazon. It's a LED amber light. There is a many of the lights available in Amazon, but I choose this ones because it's the seal and it's a waterproof, you can see, and it's covered, and it's what I seen in the review of Amazon, it's more durable. So this is the way I installation done. So I grill on that, and this part it is like almost more than 10 mm the hole. So I use the small grill. So I will show you which tool I use it that. Then I put into that, you can see it's more easy. And let me show you the inside, how it's fixed to the, and how I done the wiring. This is from inside. This is the plug. It's really waterproof, like it's covered by full sealing, and how it comes from there is here. The other ones, so it will be plugging on that. The wiring will be just go on this side to the other light, you can see. Then I stick with this plastic lock, see the wiring, and I all the way to bring these ones from this part, you can see it, and inside from there other side. From the right hand side, the wiring I bring from this sump, you can see it here. Then I use the PVC cover for wiring for safety. Then all the way I bring from this line, and it's connect with the left hand running board. Then I all the way to bring from inside from the footboard, we call running board. Then I bring all the way from in the edge of the running board and up from there. Let me show you from there how it is fixed. Okay, let me show you how I bring to the engine area. You can see here down, this is the wiring I bring, you can see it here from the main inside the fuse board area. I bring all the way to here, you can see yeah. You can see the cover, and it's directly go into this fuse board. Let me open this fuse board. It's easy from here. You can remove one club. Here it is. You can see the red wire, how you connect to the fuse board for the parking light. I put into a left hand parking light, so it's easy installation, easy wiring, and I connect that all the way here. Directly you remove either right or left fuse board fuse and connect with the this bracket. Let me show you the bracket, how it easy. Here is the one. You can buy it in Amazon. It's just like dirhams, around like 10 dirham. So I use the 10 mm fuse on that. Another one, which one is original fuse is coming over here. So I use two fuse. For one is for the running board one. It's easy and directly connect on that. See, you can remove it. I will show you. This is, see, the one is 10 mm. You can see, I'm not sure if for you it's clear or what. The other one is 7.5. So I think 7.5 is come for the parking, but I use for already 10 mm. But how I install easy plugging. And let me show you how it is close it. Because I make a little hole over here because for passing wire, otherwise it will be touch each might wire get damaged. So you can do it by grill. This is just like small hole. You can see it comes all the way here. You can see more closer. I'm not sure. Yeah, see, it's plugging and clip it. So everything's perfectly fitted. You can see how it is came. Alright, I believe the who wants to install or who like to do some project for your own car, easy installations. You don't need to go for garage and paying for such a amount. So it is installations how it's done. Still I have to put some screw over there. The screw size I will mention in the video, what screw I use it. You can see how bright at night. Actually this is not a night, but this is the dark area for my parking. So you can see the light brightness. Lights bright to this car, even the orange, you can see it. It's not even more closer. Light of this car, how bright it is. See, I told you it's working for my parking lights, so that's how I connect. But the grill light, I fix it for the daytime. Whenever the engine starts, the my key is on there, it's work. Anyway guys, good luck. If there is anything, just comment on me, message, so I will help you on that, where to buy the things, the small things. It's like fuse bracket and the LED. All I bought it from Amazon. Another thing is, who was living in UAE, Dubai, you can go for the night road. There is many places Dubai can these things. It's cheaper over there as well, but you have to walk around and to see the place. Good luck guys. Cheers.